Well, hi there and welcome to Finding My Online Biz. I'm Keith Ouchin and we're building a brighter future online. So I hope you enjoyed yesterday's video. I'm learning how to do blue screen and green screen overlays, and I've started using a different tool called KineMaster, K-I-N-E-M-A-S-T-E-R, on the iPhone, and it works really well. I'm actually quite surprised in the end at how easy it was to do blue screen and to do blue screen overlays. But you know, it took me 3 days to nut it out. And it wasn't that it was hard, it was that I hadn't paid for the full version. So with the premium version you get the Chroma Key option, which was absolutely fantastic. So it was just so easy once I had that, and I followed a couple of other YouTube how-tos and found out how to do it, and it was not too bad. So I'm just finishing off doing the thumbnails. So that'll be day 8 of Tim Schmoyer's ebook 30 Days to a Better YouTube Channel. As I said yesterday, I'm probably 40 days in. This will be probably day 41 or something. So it's taken longer than 30 days to fix up the channel, and I'm now at doing the thumbnails. And you'll notice that some of my thumbnails have improved from the beginning, and I'm hoping to improve them better as I move on. As I've said before, try out Snapper down below. The link's in the description, and it works really well, because all you need to do is go to the search section and type in the word YouTube, and it will pop up a template to use YouTube artwork or YouTube thumbnails. And of course the thumbnail you want is 1280 by 720 pixels. Remember that, it's really important. So that fits perfectly in the thumbnail space for YouTube, and they would prefer that size. So make sure that your thumbnails are the right size, and make sure that they're entertaining and that they really do grab the attention. So make them bright and make them something worthwhile. Here we are down on the beach at the end of the day. What a beautiful afternoon it has been. It has been sunny and bright. It's been beautiful. Probably about 19-20 degrees it was most of the afternoon. Fantastic. But remember to enjoy the journey of your YouTube creation, and remember that you're trying to gain an audience so that you can then use that as a funnel to get people into your whatever business that you're running. So that's the whole point of the exercise, is to build a channel that can be the funnel for your business. Now, whether you're doing affiliate marketing, or whether you're doing Shopify, or you're doing other e-commerce sites, or whether you're doing Amazon fulfillment by Amazon, or any of those things, you still will need a funnel to get your customers into or at your site. So you can do that a few ways. Now, I love the comment from Sean Canal where he says, build relationships, not a list. I really agree with that principle. The people who are on my subscriber list currently are all friends of mine. Thank you so much for subscribing. I really do appreciate it. I really do appreciate all of those that have supported me and given me a thumbs up and all of those kinds of things, and have been watching my videos. As I said in yesterday's video, my viewer retention is still fairly low, so I'm working on that by using some catchy graphics, things like the blue screen graphics and things like that, so that will capture some attention. That's what we really want to do, is to be able to capture attention. So, and enjoy the journey. And until next time, bye. Isn't that a beautiful sunset? Sun's just going down over the hill. If you like these videos, you might like these ones as well.